More than 200 years ago, Americans fought a revolution against big government.
He has erected a multitude of new offices and has sent hither swarms of officials to harass our people and eat out their substance.
We've hidden justice somewhere in the law, and we can't find it.
I haven't really gotten maybe a conversation, but not recent at all.
Okay, he's asked you to pay rent.
Yes.
And you haven't paid the rent.
No, it's not that I don't want to. It's that I'm having some problems, and I've asked, and we were part of that blue house. Putting it together, we put in.
No, I'm going to object. This is not a response to it. It's just a yes or no answer.
Sustained. Next question.
Mr. Jones has told you to need to pay rent, correct?
Just told me the need is, and I need to pay it.
Yes.
Yes.
And you haven't paid?
No.
Okay. Isn't it true that Mr. Jones has told you that he's going to start an eviction action against you because you aren't paying rent?
No, he has not told me that.
Your Honor, may I ask a question?
Not your turn yet, but your turn will come back.
Okay.
You stated that initially things were going great with you and Mr. Jones when the divorce proceedings started. But
Yes.
you didn't want to become involved.
No, I did not.
You didn't want to get stuck in the middle.
No, I just didn't want to have to take sides.
And at some point that changed. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Did that change happen when Mr. Jones told you the needs for you to pay rent?
Oh, no.
Happened before that?
It happened, let's see. It was about the same time. It has nothing to do with, not paying rent has nothing to do with the relationship with my father.
Did you recently give birth?
Yes,
When?
June 30th,
Boy or girl?
boy.
And at some time after that child was born, was that child taken away from you?
Yes, but what does that have to do with this?
Who took your child?
CPS?
Why?
Because I
I
had taken,
object. What does this have to do with this?
Overall.
I had taken Vicodin that I had had since high school and I broke my arm. And I took it the day before I gave birth to him. And they came in without a warrant and took my son.
And how long was your son out of your custody?
How long was he out of my custody? I had him in the hospital for 2 days. And I haven't had him since.
I don't have any other questions.
Are there proceedings involving you and your son?
Yes.
Are they over yet? Are they still
No,
on?
they're not over.
Any other questions for her?
Sure, if Mr. Hendon can ask her those questions. Cassidy, are you a drug user?
No.
Are you a drug abuser?
No.
Why'd you take Vicodin?
Because I was in pain. And I talked to my doctors about it and they said it's a class D drug and they do prescribe it to pregnant women.
What was your birth plan? Were you gonna,
I wanted to go without the epidural.
what have you learned about drug classifications? The drugs that they were gonna give you in the hospital?
Oh, they gave me fentanyl and they gave me the epidural and that was for the pain because I couldn't take it and I wanted to try without it but I just couldn't take it. And those drugs are more higher, they're bigger than Vicodin, you know, and I'm not saying Vicodin is not bad, but it's
And
the
with-
doctor said that he gives it to pregnant women, so.
And with this questioning, what have you learned? You made a comment, your son was taken from the hospital with, could you repeat what you said to Mr. Hendon? He asked how long you had your son?
I had him for 2 days, and they had him in custody not even 4 hours after he was born.
And that was
They
after
did-
they served you the warrant?
There was no warrant. It
No
was a
warrant.
piece of paper that was falsely telling me to hand over my son, and I've now discovered that I needed the warrant, so,
I guess you learned a lot about the Constitution since then, haven't you?
yeah.
One last question, Cassidy. You've been asked to pay rent. Now, that income property that I'm not allowed to go in on, are you on the lease?
No,
But yet your father's asking you to pay rent,
yeah.
okay? Has he been threatening?
He has come over several times, pounding on the door, and I just haven't answered, so.
Okay. Just, you know what, that's all I wanted to know.
Any other questions for this one? Or you can set that. All right, any other witnesses?
I don't have any other witnesses on this particular subject, but I would move that exhibit number 5 be admitted.
Any objection to 5? Hearing none, 5 is admitted. What about, it's unrelated to these custody issues, but on this rental property with equity, that was already ordered to be listed and sold.
Yeah, it's been listed, it's on the market, it's just
How long has it been on the market?
June, July. It's been on it for 6, 7 months.
Yeah, there's something wrong with the listing.
The price was originally listed at $640.
Well, that's the problem.
It's,
If you wanna sell something, then you'll lower the price.
we were gonna present some testimony on that. Right now, it's listed at $585.
I am
It's
telling
coming.
you right now, that the judge that ordered that to be sold, wanted it sold.